Welcome to the Basic Search Skills tutorial for the Intradyn AOS 7 Archiver. Search allows a user to quickly find specific emails on a single machine or across a federated network. You can begin a search by navigating to the top Search tab. Note that the sent date term is already filled out with the current date. This can be modified, deleted, or combined with another search term. Each term has its own drop-down menu to modify its application. Some terms such as sent date will allow you to modify the input data manually or by using a widget. Clicking the red X next to a term will remove it from the current search. Clicking the Add Search Term button will bring up a list of possible terms to be added to the current search. Multiple can be added at a time. The current search will only be ran off of completed fields, so even if multiple terms are present, they will not be included if incomplete. You can click and drag terms around to rearrange them to your preference. Reloading the search page at any point will return you to the default search terms and settings. In this example search, we'll be setting the sent date field to search for emails before a certain date containing the word test in the message text. Note that both terms are completely filled out and the two that aren't will be ignored. After a search has ran, you can click the query terms to modify the current inputs. When we switch the sent date to search on a specific date, we yield no results since there were no emails sent on the specified day. Remember that when running searches, check for complete terms. Be specific enough to narrow your results. And try broadening your search if you're getting too few results or are unsure of a message detail. This concludes the Basic Search Skills tutorial for Intradyn AOS 7 Archivers. For more tutorials and help articles, visit support.intradyn.com.